Hi.
Hi.
What
This is my
happened?
key, and usually it reads. I think from this, it chipped, and now it's not.
It was pushed to start, yeah?
Yeah. She said you break into cars often.
No.
The big old.
It's a floating hotel.
No.
You need to take your wife on a cruise.
Working?
It works.
Take you on a cruise. Married.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
Do you need one key or?
You have one?
Yes, I have a key like this. Okay, I need around 10-15 minutes.
15. Okay. So now I have a key that works.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got the key. Thank you.
You're
Take your
welcome.
wife on a cruise.
Okay.
Or in the Caribbean.
Bye.
Say
Bye.
bye.